Hello friends and welcome to our fantastic counting adventure. Are you ready to explore the magical world of numbers with me? Let's embark on an exciting journey as we count from 1 all the way to 100 together. Let's start with the basics. We'll count from 1 to 10. Watch closely and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Great job counting from 1 to 10. Now let's move on to the next set of numbers, from 11 to 20. Count along with me as we explore this new range of numbers together. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Great job counting from 11 to 20. Now let's count from 21 to 30. Keep your eyes peeled as we journey through this exciting range of numbers. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Great job counting from 21 to 30. Let's continue counting from 31 to 40. Are you ready to join me on this counting adventure? Let's do it. 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. Great job counting from 31 to 40. Now let's continue counting from 41 to 50. Keep your focus as we reach the halfway point of our adventure. 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Great job counting from 41 to 50. We're halfway there. Let's continue counting from 51 to 60. 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60. Great job counting from 51 to 60. We're getting closer. Now let's count from 61 to 70. Keep your focus as we explore these numbers together. You're doing fantastic. 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68, 69, 70. Great job counting from 61 to 70. We're getting closer. Now let's count from 71 to 80. Keep your focus as we explore this range of numbers together. You're doing great. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Great job counting from 71 to 80. Now let's move on to the next set of numbers, from 81 to 90. Count along with me as we explore these numbers together. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Great job counting from 81 to 90. We've almost reached the finish line. Let's count from 91 to 100. Stay with me as we complete our epic counting journey. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Wow, what an incredible counting adventure we've had today. I hope you enjoyed exploring the world of numbers with me. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep counting, keep learning, and keep having fun.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more ESL videos. If you want to improve your English skills, make sure to visit ESLTutorForKids.com for online ESL tutoring. Book your assessment today and let's unlock your language potential together. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.